rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
All right, everyone, let's dive into today's courtroom drama. The video opens with Judge Faith Jenkins presiding over a tense case, Sauer versus Moffitt. Miss Sauer is seeking child support from her ex-fiancé, George Moffitt, a man who legally adopted her 9-year-old son, Travis, during their engagement. But here's the twist. George isn't Travis's biological father, and the couple never actually tied the knot. The stakes are high, and emotions are running deep. Will the court hold George financially responsible, or is there a legal loophole that gives him an out? Let's break down this emotionally charged and legally complex case.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did, yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay.
Miss Sauer takes the stand and shares her side of the story. While she and George were engaged, he legally adopted her son, Travis. Despite their breakup, she believes George should still help support the child he once committed to raising, but George pushes back. He admits to the adoption, but says he barely sees Travis anymore, and adds that his income is limited. The courtroom grows tense as George opens up about the past, revealing he had a panic attack just before the wedding and walked away. This emotional twist adds depth to the case. Is George genuinely overwhelmed, or is he trying to dodge his responsibilities? The truth isn't so black and white.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know.
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted...
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
George's defense? It's all over the place. He starts rambling about delivering mail in the neighborhood. and how he's just a nice guy. But Judge Faith isn't buying it. She cuts through the noise, reminding him that by law, Travis is his son, and that comes with financial responsibility. George brings up his panic attacks and emotional struggles once more, but the judge isn't swayed by excuses. She stays focused on the legal facts. Then, the tone suddenly shifts. Miss Sauer reveals that Travis still misses George. He even asks about him at night. It's a tender moment that tugs at the heartstrings. Now the question hangs in the air. Is there still love lingering between them? Or is this case strictly about child support?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
Just when it seems this case couldn't get any more dramatic, Judge Faith drops a bombshell. Why don't you two just get married? The courtroom gasps. George lights up instantly. He still has the engagement ring. Miss Sauer pauses, clearly emotional. But then she says yes. Right there in court, Judge Faith officiates their wedding. The child support case? Dismissed. Because under Texas law, married couples don't owe child support to each other. It's a rare, heartwarming twist in family court, proof that sometimes love really can win over legal battles.
Get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh. It's so simple.
Keely, are you...
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yeah,
okay, sure.
Let's, yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support. This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
After the surprise wedding, Judge Faith explains the legal reasoning behind it all. In Texas, when parents are legally married, child support obligations between them no longer apply. It's a law that, in this case, didn't just resolve a legal issue, it reunited a family. This case stands out as a powerful reminder that sometimes the courtroom can bring people together rather than pull them apart. The video closes with a heartfelt call to action, inviting viewers to share their own stories and subscribe for more compelling courtroom moments. Because at the end of the day, family court isn't just about legal battles, it's about people, relationships, and, once in a while, unexpected happy endings.